Zach, what's up?
Every time.
Teach us Objective 101.
Caitlin, what's up?
Oh, wow.
Hey,
my
Mr.
bad, my
Jones,
bad.
will you teach us the Objective 101?
I will. I will teach you 101, and you will like 101 because you're going to say, man, that's way easier than stuff we were doing last week. All right, here we go.
Is it worthy of an exercise?
Yeah, it's really worthy of an exercise. Here we go. Determine the measure of an angle using the sum of the interior angles of triangles, which you know. All right, recall. 3 angles in a triangle always add up to this one
180.
number, and that is
180.
180. That's the whole basis, the whole premise of what we're going to do today. And this is going to be really quick. This is like a 5-minute lesson, and then we get to work.
Is it going to be a fun lesson?
It's as fun as we want to make it.
It's always
be.
fun with Mr. Jones.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here's the big thing. Now we just said, you add 3 angles together and they equal 180. The problem is on this, your angles, as you can see, are going to all look like algebra junk, algebra junk, algebra junk. But you still say this one plus this one plus this one
equals to
equals 180. I want you to take one specific look at what this says though. This note. For Objective 101, we are not looking for x. That is never your answer. You will have to find x, but we're always looking to find some angle. So tell yourself at the beginning, I'm going to find x, but then I'm going to use it to find a specific angle. So this first one up. The question doesn't ask you what is x. It asks you what is angle T. Keep that in mind. We're going to find angle T when we're done. Now look at our 3 angles. Algebra junk, algebra junk, algebra junk. I'm supposed to add all 3 of them and set it equal to what?
180.
180. That's why I got you these blanks down bottom here. First one, 3x plus 5.
What's 180?
3x plus 5. Then you got 8x plus 8. And if you're working ahead, just kind of stay when I'm talking, just stay with where I'm at. 2x minus 2 equals 180. So there's my 3 angles added together. Now I've got this written. What's the next thing I should do? I kind of got it over here to the side. It's kind of cut off now.
CLT.
CLT. So look how much x you got. 3x, 8x, and 2x. How much is that?
13.
13x. And how much number? 5 and 8 is 13.
11.
Minus 2 is 11. So you got 13x plus 11 is 180. Then you just have to solve this simple algebra problem by doing what first?
Bring in 11 over.
Minus 11 over. So 3x is now 13x is 169.
13 divided.
Divide by 13, it is 13 because 169 is 13 squared. So x is 13. However, like I said at the beginning, we don't care what x is. We need it. But what we really care is what is t. T is 8x plus 8. So what am I going to do? 8. 8 times 13 plus 8. 8 times 13 plus 8.
112.
Yeah, 112. So our answer was 112.
Mr. Jones, this has been what we've been doing, hasn't it?
We haven't seen a specific objective, but
It's basically that.
But why does it get easier and then harder and easier and harder?
because we're going to different things. We're doing a lot of triangle stuff right now.
Where's our test?
Night. There you go. Take 3 seconds.
You went kind of fast. You're not going to make it. Wait, are you going to move the FYI?
Well, there's a bunch of trash in there.
I know it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough.
It's going to hit the bottom and bounce out.
Oh no. Block.
Solved it.
Block.
That was
Haley,
bad.
Go
Wow.
back.
300 for 400. Am I right?
No, I'm just 75%.
Am I right?
3 for 4 now. 75%.
He just said 75%.
Just how? 75% is still pretty
If you're
good.
3 for 3, then you're 300. But if you're 3 for 4, then you're 75.
It's kind of crazy.
Dude, just think outside
Okay,
the box.
backside.
Let's go back to the previous.
First one up is a right triangle. So take a good look at it. Now this little box down here means how much is that angle?
90.
90. You need to make sure you understand that. 90 degrees. So of your three angles, algebra junk, and a 90. So you're going to still add them. This one plus 90. So 3x plus 2 plus x minus 20
Combine like terms.
plus 90 is 180. This one plus this one plus this one equals 180. Combine like terms, so I got 3x plus x, so I got how much? 4x. 4x.
72.
Then I got, okay, you got 90 minus 20 is 70, plus 2, so 72. Equals 180.
Subtract 72.
Minus our 72, it looks like 4x is about to equal 108. 4x equals 108.
So it's 26, 27.
27.
With this shop
X is
right
27. Now what angle are we trying to find in this
You.
picture? Trying to find-
27 minus 20 equals.
Yeah, we don't even need a calculator for that. 27 minus 20 is,
I had to use calculator for it.
for 27 minus 20.
I was about to say, where's the answers, Mr. Joe?
They're hiding up here. They're hiding up there. 27 minus 20 is just 7.
Was this a trick question?
I like this objective.
Okay, here's another
Yeah, I
one.
would love to have it on
Now,
exercise.
before you do this, or you're working ahead or whatever, I'm going to ask a question. I'm going to say, what kind of triangle is this? You should know.
Isosceles.
How did you know it was isosceles?
Because
Like
the
pizza.
angle, the bases, and then you have your, what is that called?
Vertex.
Yeah.
But we got, even though they're both algebra junks, they're the same algebra junk here and here, which base angle's the same. It's isosceles.
Just flip your paper the other way and it'll look normal. There you go.
Yeah,
Looks
more
like
like this.
pizza.
Piece of pizza. Okay, still though, we're going to add these three algebra junk angles together, and it's going to equal 180. So, 3x minus 25. And if you wanted, you could just put these together and say that's 10x minus 16, or you can just do it one at a time. 5x minus 8 is 5x minus 8 is 180.
What's negative 33 plus 8? Negative 25?
Plus 8.
It'd be negative 33 minus 8.
Question is, first, how much x is there? 3, 5, and 5.
13.
13x again. Then the number,
Minus 41.
minus 41.
Oh.
You got negative 25, minus 8, minus 8. So negative 25 minus 8 is negative 33. Minus another 8, negative 41. This time when you solve, you'll be adding 41 over. So you're going to make that 221. So 13x is 221.
17.
Yeah. When you divide, you get x 17. And then we need to plug it back into C, which is one of those base angles.
And it's 77.
5 times 17 minus 8. 5 times 17. 77. So we're looking at 77. All right, nothing too new about this last one, other than the fact that one of them isn't algebra junk. One of them is just a number. All right, so it's a number. So it's part of our three things we're adding. 32. Start with that. 32 plus this stuff plus this stuff equals 180. It's all right if two of them are algebra junk and one of them is just a number. It's all right if three of them are algebra junk, or just one of them. So we got, what's it over here? 32 plus 4x minus 11 plus 2x plus 15 equals 180. So 6x. Now how much number is there when you have 32 minus 11, so 21, that's 15, 36. 36 is 180. Minus 36, 144, so 6x is 144. Divide, and x is 24. Sound right?
Yep.
Now what angle are we trying to find?
Q.
Q, which is down here.
62.
So if that's 24, we're going to go 2 times 24 plus 15. You get 63. That one is pretty darn simple, right? Okay, pretty easy. And Tori, you got this,
I
right?
got it. Good thing I wore my contacts today. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh, my hair. Oh, okay.
It's slowly coming around.
Okay.
This is first shot for Tori. Nolan's going 3 for 4.
I don't know if I have. That makes sure this is enough. Ready?
Oh,
Rimmed out.
if it wasn't for all the junk in the trash
Sucks
can,
to suck, huh,
it would have been
Tori?
all right. Okay.